In AutoCAD, there are plenty of ways with which you can select your objects. Let's have a look at selection sets. When you click on the left of your drawing area and drag your cursor towards right, you'll see this solid window, which is called selection window or simply window. Now, if you click on the right side of this drawing area and move your cursor towards left, you'll see this dashed window, which is also called a crossing window. Now, the sole difference between these two windows is when an object within a selection window is completely enclosed, then only it will be selected. In this case, a circle and a polygon is completely inside this window, but it partially intersects this triangle, so only the circle and polygon will be selected when I click here. In case of a crossing window, when any object crosses this window, it will be selected. So the polygon is completely inside, but the circle and triangle both are partially inside and partially outside, but still, since they are touching this crossing window, they will be selected. We have other kinds of selection sets in AutoCAD as well. So let's first make this window. I have clicked on the left. I'm dragging it towards right. Now let's type CP for crossing polygon and press enter. Now you'll see that AutoCAD will make a polygon. CP was the short for crossing polygon, and now you can enclose objects more precisely. So in this case, this circle and this arc will be within our selection set. Press enter to make the selection. Now let's click here and again drag your cursor, and this time instead of typing CP, I will type WP and press enter. Now again this will make a window, but this time it will be a window polygon, and again you have a better control over the objects which you want to select. So in this case, this circle, triangle and a line will be selected. Press enter to make this selection. There is one more kind of selection set, that is with fence. So type F and press enter, and now any object which crosses this line or this fencing line will be selected. So in this case, we have these four objects: a circle, polygon, triangle and a line crossing this fence. Press enter, all of them are selected. So these are the different kinds of selection set.